Alright guys, we're on our way to another job. I'm somewhere out in the middle of nowhere right now. In like Perry, New York or something. Of how beautiful it is out here. It's really, really beautiful. Sunday morning, like 8 a.m. We work 7 days a week, so just something you gotta get used to. It really is gorgeous out here. But, alright. Figured I'd just show you guys kind of what I'm looking at. Alright guys, I almost forgot to show you what it looks like. We started cleaning it already. Just a small lot at a bank. So I'm starting to squeegee now. My brother's still cleaning. I left the tripod in the other truck, so I don't have it right now. I wish there was somewhere I could, you know, throw you guys, but I'm not sure. Alrighty, I just got done squeegeeing this spot out. Gotta finish cutting all this in all the way around. We're gonna spray this one. Alright, we just got done cutting everything in. So this is what it looks like cut in. You bring it out enough so that you can spray up to it without hitting anything. All the way around. And then down there, if you can see where the grass is, we don't have to cut that in because he can spray right up to the grass. Got anything to say to the people?
Fuck with you, boy.
Alright. I'm gonna get a couple clips of Frankie spraying if I can do it without fucking up. Watch out for these people though. This is what we do. I'm gonna pull up. Gotta pull the truck up. people, that's a wrap on this one. Do a little walk around. That's what she's looking like. It'll get striped later. We gotta go fix them cones. I'll get a view of by the street for you. Here's that little town I was telling you about, Perry. It's like an old western looking town. This is what it looks like from the street view. Right back up.
On to the next one. Can I get a fucking...
I don't think they know that's my word. I don't think they know that's my word. Yeah, that's my... Hold up. Big on the